I got tired to see my face. Can't get me out of the race.
One of the most recognizable Jamaican faces. If the reggae legend were still alive, February 6th would mark his 70th birthday. He may no longer walk amongst us, but his spirit lives on. The message in his music inspires many and gives hope. So in this, the month of his birth, the country of his birth celebrates his living legacy.
I'm often asked the value of reggae music and the value of Bob Marley to Jamaica and Jamaica's tourism. And I will say it's immeasurable. It's not something that you can put a figure to. On the anniversary of his 70th birthday, we will work with you to keep the message of Bob Marley going across the world, because it's a message that keeps brand Jamaica and shows what is the best of brand Jamaica.
Government is supporting the Bob Marley group of companies in spearheading the celebrations. Activities throughout February will showcase the life and works of the late legend, highlighting that the legacy continues. The celebrations kick off on the anniversary of his birth in an extra special way.
The Bob Marley Museum will definitely come to life on February 6th with a ceremonial tribute. This year our structure is a little bit different. We're going to open to the public after 10 a.m. for full activities all day long.
Among them, the unveiling of Marley's restored 1976 Land Rover Series 3 that will go on permanent display at the Hope Road Museum. Children will not be exempt from the celebrations. They'll be engaged in readings from Cedella Marley's books, Three Little Birds and The Boy from 9 Miles. And the Jamaica Musical Theatre Company will facilitate an excerpt from its new theatre production, Nesta's Rock.
Could you be loved?
Oh, nah.
And be loved?
I said, could you be loved?
Could you be loved? And be loved?
By the way, the production continues until the 22nd at the Philip Sherlock Center at the University of the West Indies.
It is an exciting and exhilarating production for the young and for the young at heart.
In the meantime, the birthday celebrations at the Bob Marley Museum will conclude with a reggae jam session featuring the Bob Marley 70th ambassadors, Chronics, Kabaka Pyramid, and Nomads.
We'd like to invite you all to join us in this great celebration to be hosted on February 6th at the Bob Marley Museum.
As the month rolls on, the activities will intensify. On February 7, the music fraternity will converge on the Kingston waterfront for the annual Bob Marley concert.
Just know there's going to be a wonderful tribute coming out from the Marley brothers, and so it is definitely a concert not to be missed. As Bob would have it, as he did for the people, and so it is definitely free of cost.
On February 8, the Trenchtown Festival Committee, in association with the Jamaica Reggae Industry Association, will celebrate the legend at the Trenchtown Rock Center. That kicks off at the Boys Town football field in Trenchtown, former home of the Reggae King.
Lighten up yourself, for reggae is an order band. Lighten up yourself and don't say no.
Also significant for the 70th year was the re-release of Easy Skanking.
Easy skanking.
Universal Music Group has teamed up with the family of the late icon to release a DVD and CD set of the entertainer's 1978 concert at Boston Music Hall. Now it's titled Bob Marley and the Wailers, Easy Skanking in Boston 78, and the collector's item is due out on February 10th.
Then for the academics, there will be several symposia with a few of Jamaica's top researchers and scholars at the museum.
The symposiums that we're going to be hosting are going to include topics such as reggae music and reggae and the fusion of fashion. And we're going to acknowledge, of course, certain persons or certain designers like Cedella Marley.
Bob Marley, the United Nations Peace Medal recipient for 1978, singer of One Love, named the Song of the Millennium.
this is not the achievement of an ordinary person, and we must give credit to him for all that he has achieved.
One love, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright.
Let's celebrate all month long the legacy of the reggae legend who this land is blessed to call son. Remember to tweet #Marley70.